Good afternoon, my colleagues. I am very thankful to the World Laparoscopy Hospital Organization for bringing up the institute which gives the basic knowledge of laparoscopy. I don't think there is any other institute, at least in India, which gives that much basics of laparoscopy, where you actually learn what is the actual laparoscopy and what is the actual benefits of the laparoscopy. I have seen all the surgeons. I have done my fellowship in GI surgery. I have seen the surgeons doing even advanced GI surgery. But then that time I was thinking, where something is going wrong, why the complications are more, or why the procedure is taking so long period that patient has to be under anesthesia for 4 hours, 5 hours. Ideally by open procedure, which is a 1 hour procedure, it takes 4 to 5 hours by laparoscopy. But after coming here, I understood that these are the basics of the laparoscopy which makes the surgery easier and saves a lot of time. And as my mentor said in general surgery, that it is not the number of surgeries you have performed, it is the surgeries done in the correct way which you observed or assisted is very important in your life. So that's what was my purpose in coming up here, and I am very thankful to giving my opportunity. And also I am thankful to Dr. Mishra for bringing up such an institute, and he's being such a talented man, and there are very few men in all over who gives their knowledge to others without any hesitation. And he is a truly academician, and I don't think he has any professional view in this. So that's a very greatest thing of this institute. And also all the staff of the organization is so structured, so organized, that even other staffs, they were the teachers for us. Even if Dr. Chauhan and Dr. Mishra, if at the time of hands-on training, if we could not approach them, they were the one who can teach us what is to be done. They are so dedicated to this thing. So I am very thankful to everyone. And last of the things, so thankful for lovely colleagues for making my stay and my period very wonderful. Thank you. Yeah, I am Pankaj Nemade. I am a DNB General Surgery, and after that I have done my fellowship in GI surgery and a liver transplant. I am not working at present.